now. All right, I'm writing in pink today for our Spirit Week. We'll be solving question 3. Because the leading coefficient is negative, our greatest common factor is negative. The greatest common factor of 20 and 16 is a 4. U is common to both terms, and the lowest exponent of U is a 1. V is common to both terms, and the lowest exponent of V is a 1. Now start your parentheses. Negative 20, U cubed V divided by negative 4, UV is a positive 5. U squared and V divided by V divides out to a 1. Negative 16 divided by negative 4 UV is negative 16 divided by negative 4 gives you a plus 4. U divided by U divides out to a 1. V squared divided by V1 is V to the power of 1. And that is your final answer for question 3. In question number 5, can you easily see what the greatest common factor is? 3 appears in each one, so does x, so 3 and x are common. The lowest exponent of x is squared. Now work on the 3 divisions. 3x to the power of 4 divided by 3x squared. 3 divided by 3 is 1, x squared. Negative 3 divided by 3 by positive 3 is a negative 1x to the power of 1. And negative 3x squared divided by 3x squared. I mean, it looks like it all cancels out. But remember, 3 divided by 3 is 1. They cancel out to a 1. So you need to add that 1 there. If your problem is a trinomial, your parentheses is a trinomial. Problem is a binomial, your parentheses have a binomial inside of it. All right, if you know the answer to this question, you can unmute yourself. How do I check to make sure that I got these problems correct? What is the property we use to check them? Kaylee?
Distribution.
Oh. You remember anybody?
I think Kaylee said it.
Okay, I didn't hear her.
Hold up, I have my earbuds out. What did you say? What question were you asking?
How do you check your answer?
You go through and distribute all the ones and see if you get the answer. I mean the question.
You are correct. You distribute through and see if the answer of your distributive property is your original problem. Now, does everybody have the answers to question 3 and 5 written out? Because these are the answers to questions on the quiz warm-up. So you're going to go on to Schoology and do the quiz warm-up. The first question on the quiz is number 3 here that we just did. And the second question on the quiz warm-up is number 5. So all you have to do is type these answers in the box. You'll see a button with a capital T and a little exponent, and you'll use that button to type, when you need to type U squared here and X squared. So at this point, go ahead and hit the button above your 6 to split your screen so you can shrink Zoom. Open up Schoology to the quiz warm-up. In Unit 7, You're going right here to the quiz warm-up. This is practicing for tomorrow's quiz. And you type your answers into this warm-up quiz. Mrs. Oswald, can you type that in chat to do the warm-up now in case somebody can't hear me? When you're finished with your quiz warm-up, continue working on the quiz review. And submit it here tomorrow before class starts. I'm going to stop the recording right now because somehow